Love takes time to heal when you're hurting so much. I was right to let you go.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know your girl MelicaSkylife in the building. Yo, I watered them. I just drank a protein juice. Decided to come on and give you guys a little update. So you know that this video you're gonna see after the fact. Today is today is March 4th, 5th. My birthday is actually tomorrow. I need to get my hair combed and stuff like that. But I am 12 weeks and 2 days, guys. 12 weeks preggo. You know, I am so grateful that I'm at this stage now, because I start to feel way better. Like for the last 3 months, every day I used to wake up feeling sick, feeling a bit lagging, down, a little bit depressed and stuff like that. But ever since I hit the 11-week mark, I am telling you, I am feeling so much better. Energy wise, I always sleep throughout the day, but I don't feel the need to sleep as much. I worked out yesterday. I'm gonna work out in a month, and yeah, I'm just so grateful for that. I'm going to insert a picture and show you how my belly looks at 12 weeks. Your belly big. I must say, baby is very big for 12 weeks. Very active for 12 weeks. But I don't know, I think I go on boy or girl. Like, I love kids nonetheless. So boy or girl, I'll be happy. And also girl pitty take more you have to drape up a girl pitty them, and boys too, because boys have it so hard today. But boy pitty always like me. You see, you're tired with each hand for me. Aria each hand for me. Like, they love me, kids love me, and I love them so much. So that is what is happening now. I'm so grateful and so thankful that I'm feeling way much better. COVID out and stunting a month ago base. So I'm not really gonna know it. That's one of the reasons why I'm here and I get done, because I'm not gonna know if you get me here done and stuff like that. Like, interaction with people, I'm try and cut it out, because I don't want to be having a baby and then I get COVID. But I'm gonna tell you a little story. I caught COVID before now. I caught COVID from November, and I'm so grateful I caught it that time. I did not go to the doctor. Doctor never tell me see a COVID I have, but I knew that I had it. One day I came home, my throat was like what happened to my throat? And the next day I was so sick, like I wasn't eating, I'm gonna sleep well, I start fret, fever, cold, hot flashes and cold flashes. They killed me all the time. But what I did, I isolated in my room, and from time to time my grandmother would come give me things to drink. One time he tricked me and give me busy for drink. We did drinky, rub me up with Florida water and stuff like that. I'm so glad she not catch it, because I know it me did have. But she deal with me with caution. You know, you have a little quarantine era. They force me to drink food, to eat food, but I normally like just drink soup because I didn't have any taste in my mouth. I remember one of the time Mr. Rose cooked for me, and me I eat and I not taste nothing. I chop ginger and think I eat. So the COVID had me bad for like almost a month. I was really sick. I lost about 10 to 15 pounds like in no time, because I was not eating. I did not have the urge to eat because I was not tasting anything. I was weak. I was sleeping all the time, dehydrated, a lot of stuff. I was sick really bad. And one of the things that I noticed when you get the COVID, you tend to fret say you're dead, you know. But I pushed through. I think some of the days when I could manage to do a little workout, I did it to try and sweat. I also worked on my farm a lot, so you know, to just try to keep myself active and stuff like that. In the last part, I had a bad cough. Like the cough was so dry and it hurt my stomach. Nothing was coming up like cold wise, but I had a bad cough, like and my chest was hurting me. After a while, my chest used to feel tight. I had some wicked headaches. Like I had some good symptoms of COVID. I did not get tested and I did not go to the doctor. All I did was rest a lot. I drank a lot of soup. I drank a lot of water, and I tried to be active. Like COVID want to stay in my bed, don't stay in my bed. I try to get up and move around a bit, and I try to protect especially my grandmother because I never want she catching and stuff like that. I use up my Florida water anytime I have hot flashes or cold flashes. Mama give me Florida water. I rub up myself, throw it on my head and stuff like that. And I also took Panadol or Cetamol every 4 hours. Like, me not bother make you wear off. Anytime I wear off, I'm gonna start to get sick again. So every 4 hours, I took a Panadol or a Cetamol. In the night time, I would take the Cetamol nighttime, you know, help me sleep because I had a really a bad problem sleeping. So some of the things that helped me with COVID that probably can help you is rest, water, force yourself to eat if you're gonna drag down and you're gonna weak. Force yourself to sleep or else you're gonna drag down and weak. And eat. Force yourself to eat because you're gonna drag down and weak. I did not want to eat. Mr. Rose forced me to eat like rice and pork and them something there. But I drank a lot of soup. I'm in a parking lot waiting on someone. I drank a lot of soup and stuff like that. So that helped me a lot. What else? Take a pill every 4 hours and you know, try quarantine yourself. Most of the time I stayed in my room. If I was coming outside, I would just come out of veranda to get some fresh air and stuff like that because I didn't want the other people around me to catch it. Truth be told, Mr. Rusty that rub up with me and him never catch it. The thing say me asymptomatic, so I'm gonna know. And yeah, so that's basically it. That's how I overcame COVID, and you probably can do that. My grandmother gave me a shot of busy. She tricked me. I drink one shot of busy, well bitter. Some things that helped me a lot too. And what else me did do? That's basically it. After three to 4 weeks, 4 weeks, approximately a month, I started to feel better. Doctor said I conceive in December, so I'm glad somebody did sick for November. Yeah, November to December I'm sick. And then I conceive in December, so I'm glad somebody catch her already. So baby don't have to worry about that and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is my little chit chat video. I don't know when you guys are gonna see it, but when you do see it, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely turn on your post notification bell, share with a friend. Guys, my face is so chubby. I can't believe my face is so chubby. My weight on the scale has stressed me out and stuff. Like, these things stress you if you're not used to it, you know. But me, I take it easy and stuff. So big up on yourself. Until next time, I don't know. Your girl MelicaSkylife in the building. Mama Melly. Oh, that's on. Mama Melly. Mama Melly or Mama Skylife. Which one you choose? Mama Melly, Mama Skylife. But like Mama Melly.